After signing into Canva, click Custom Size. Decide on the design size and type width. Type height. Click Create New Design. Click Elements. Scroll through the elements to the Charts section. Click Charts. Click on the chart design you choose. That chart design is now in your workspace. Click Connect with Google Sheets. Google will ask you to give permission to access your Google Drive. Click on the account to which you want to give permission. Canva will display some recently opened sheets. Click on the sheet name whose data you want to use. You'll be asked to put in the range from the data on your sheet. Return to the Sheet tab to determine this range. In this example, the range being used for the chart is from A1 to B13. Return to Canva and type A1, B13, or whatever you have determined the range to be. Click Update. Canva has created a chart from your sheet's data. You can now use Canva's tools to change colors and fonts and add headings. That's it. You're done.